In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust memory cache usage in DaVinci Resolve. If you want DaVinci Resolve to run more smoothly, especially when working with Fusion effects or heavier projects, adjusting the memory cache settings can make a noticeable difference. This setting helps control how much memory Fusion is allowed to use for caching, which can affect playback performance and overall responsiveness. It's a simple adjustment, but it's useful to understand what you're changing so you can choose a setting that works best for your system. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and look to the top left corner of the screen. Click on DaVinci Resolve to open the application menu. From there, choose Preferences. This will open the main settings window where you can manage how the software uses your computer's resources. Inside Preferences, go to the System section. This area contains the hardware and performance-related settings for Resolve. Once you're in System, look for the Memory and GPU section. This is where DaVinci Resolve lets you manage how memory and graphics resources are allocated. In the Memory and GPU settings, find the option labeled Limit Fusion Memory Cache. This is the control you'll be adjusting. You should see a slider next to it. To change the amount of memory cache available, simply drag the slider to the left or to the right. Moving it in one direction lowers the cache limit, while moving it in the other direction increases it. As you make this adjustment, keep in mind that giving Fusion more memory can help when working on complex compositions, but it also means more of your system's memory will be reserved for that purpose. On the other hand, lowering the limit may free up memory for other tasks, which can be helpful if your computer has less RAM or if you're running other applications at the same time. Try to make small changes rather than extreme ones, especially if you're not sure what your system can handle best. After adjusting the slider, take note of how Resolve performs during your normal workflow. That way you can fine-tune the setting over time based on real results. And that's it. That's how you adjust memory cache usage in DaVinci Resolve by opening Preferences, going to System, then Memory and GPU, finding Limit Fusion Memory Cache, and dragging the slider left or right to change it.